The Goreit XHM77.2 flashlight delivers an exceptionally intense beam that can light up large outdoor areas and reach distant objects with ease, making it ideal for search, hiking, and emergency use at night. Its rechargeable design with an easy-to-read power display and long-lasting battery life means you can rely on it for many hours without worrying about sudden shutdowns, and even top up a phone in a pinch. 5. Smoothly stepping brightness and signal modes, combined with an adjustable focus from tight spotlight to broad flood, make this light very adaptable for both close work and long-range tasks. The rugged aluminum alloy body, strong impact resistance, and solid waterproofing give the flashlight a reassuringly tough feel that stands up well to rough handling and bad weather. The included compact ultraviolet companion light is surprisingly useful for checking for pet stains, verifying documents, or spotting hidden markings that are invisible to the naked eye. A well-thought-out kit with batteries, charging cable, lanyard, holster, and gift-ready packaging makes this flashlight bundle feel complete and ready to use right out of the box.